Silent love leads success. In a bustling city, there lived a man named Samuel who was known for his extraordinary ability to remain silent. He was an unassuming figure, often seen in the midst of the city's chaos, but he hardly ever spoke. Samuel believed in the power of silence, and he had a reputation for achieving everything he desired through his quiet demeanor. People would often wonder how he managed to prosper in a world that thrived on noise and chatter. Samuel's secret lay in his unwavering faith in the concept that silence held the key to all that he desired. One day, as he was walking through a crowded market, he saw a beautiful woman named Sophia. He was immediately captivated by her grace and charm. He decided to approach her, not with words, but with a single red rose, which he offered with a gentle smile. Sophia, intrigued by this silent gesture, accepted the rose and they began a silent courtship. As weeks turned into months, Samuel and Sophia's bond deepened. Their love story was unlike any other. They communicated through their actions, their eyes, and their shared silences. The strength of their love grew with each passing day. Samuel's success in his career was equally remarkable. He was a talented artist, and his paintings spoke volumes despite his lack of words. People from all over the world admired his art, and galleries clamored to exhibit his work. One evening, as Samuel and Sophia sat together on a park bench, watching the sun set, he decided to break his silence. With a quiver in his voice, he whispered, "Will you marry me?" Sophia, who had fallen deeply in love with this silent man, replied with tears in her eyes, "Yes, 1,000 times yes." Their wedding was a celebration of love, art, and the power of silence. Samuel's fame as an artist continued to grow, and their life together was filled with happiness and contentment. The story of Samuel and Sophia spread far and wide, proving that sometimes, it's not the words we speak, but the sincerity in our hearts and the actions we take that lead us to success and love. Samuel had shown the world that by being silent, he had gained everything he ever desired: love, art, and a life filled with serenity.